We are proud to announce the 99th episode of Sundays for Pakistan with M A Jinnah. Under the visionary leadership of Ammar Jaffri, founder of Recharge, Reinvent, and Rebuild Digital Pakistan Vision 2030. Please join us today 8 p.m. Pakistan time, only on Zoom and Facebook. Thank you.
Under the visionary leadership